and west, really of 495, Worcester County, up towards southern New Hampshire, the Route 2 corridor, some snow, some sleet overnight, but even closer to Boston, a lot of sleet through the overnight hours. That has transitioned over to some heavier rain, and that's just one thing we're watching. Heavy rain, a big impact this morning. Strong winds as well, they've been whipping up overnight, and that icy mix may persist a few hours longer over the interior and concerns along the coast as well. So this is a multifaceted storm. Look at the snowfall reports overnight. 3.5 inches Sterling Pepperell, some sleet mixed in there as well, but 2.5. Dracut, Worcester over 2, Rutland close to 3, Ashby over 2 inches of snow. So it's out in this area with our snow accumulations. A lot of this has already happened, but 3 to 6 once you get north of Route 2 up into southern New Hampshire, parts of northwestern Middlesex County as well, and 1 to 3 through a lot of Worcester County in that 495 belt. Even though the snow and sleet is transitioning over to rain, the temperatures may hold near the freezing mark much of the afternoon out this way, so a winter weather advisory is up till 4 p.m. out this way. And the winds were wild overnight. Just got a report at Blue Hill. We had a wind gust to 60 miles per hour just after 4:30 this morning. Had a gust close to 60 in Wellfleet as well. 40, 50, 60 mile per wind gusts. They're still out there. Look at Boston right now. We're gusting 47 miles per hour. So these winds are going to be strongest at the coast through 9 o'clock this morning. High wind warning up. Still could see some gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour and 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts. A possibility over the interior where there is a wind advisory. You can see the winds are strongest through mid-morning, and then they only gradually step down. It's still going to be windy this afternoon. Wind gusts 20, 30 miles per hour, just not the damaging wind potential into the afternoon. But the winds, they're building up the seas up to 18 feet offshore right now. So those seas are coming in with the wind. So as we come to our next high tide, which is 8:30 this morning, there will likely be some minor to perhaps pockets of moderate coastal flooding. There's our nor'easter still to the south, so it's still bringing up some heavier rain here inside of 495. Once you get outside of 495, snow, sleet, a little freezing rain a possibility out this way as temperatures are running near the freezing mark, closer to 40 degrees at the coast now. We may sneak up to 50 this afternoon on the Cape. Otherwise, low to 40s at the coastline, but over the interior stays in the mid-30s, and that's why the concern for a little bit of slipperiness out this way. Between 8 and 9 o'clock this morning, that's when the real heavy rain starts to taper off, but notice through lunchtime, still some showers around, and we will have pockets of wet weather at times right through this evening, so you need to be ready for wet weather all day long, and even into the overnight hours past midnight. We're still talking about some areas of rain, and with temperatures near below freezing off to the north and west, could be slippery into the overnight hours as well. We are finally going to start to dry things out tomorrow. Morning clouds, then it brightens up in the afternoon. Could be a spot shower on Thursday. That's a cold front. It's bringing in much colder air Friday into the weekend, back down into the 30s, more seasonal for this time of year. Messy roads, you're battling them this morning, Kevin Brennan.
Yeah, certainly are.